Hello everyone, today we're going to show you how to host your own cloud so you can stock your files into your own server. First, we're going to start with downloading the Docker. After we download the Docker, we're going to put all the command on the description so you can just copy and paste all those. So when the installation finish, we're going to continue. After the installation is done, we're going to check if the Docker is running. Okay. Now you see it's running. Cool. Now we're gonna install the Nextcloud server, aka our cloud server. Now we check Docker if there is any container. We don't have actually. Now also we're gonna make directory for the Nextcloud, and then we create a compose file that contain configuration. We're gonna also put the configuration on the description, so you just copy it and paste, and you change only the password. You put a good password, because here we just and you're gonna wait when it's finished coming back. Now we check our Docker container. We found there is two Dockers. Now we log into the browser using our IP, local IP 192.168.1.12, and the 2 point we use 8080 port. Then we create our name. I choose the Ubuntu because we are just testing, and password we put the same password as the configuration file. As you can see here, it's bugged, so I refresh the page. Yeah, I just put same IP address like I did before, and it should work. Nice. Now we are into our next cloud. Okay. Okay, we skip this part. Then I'm gonna just do a simple test. I'm gonna upload a picture into the into server. Then we're gonna check it from another machine. So here I am on the Windows. I'm accessing from the Windows. And next time I'm gonna access with my VM Ubuntu. We're gonna check the picture. And next we're gonna use our also phone, because in the phone there is also the application called Nextcloud. We use it also to access our server. As you can see, the picture has been uploaded. Now we're gonna go to our VM. Okay. Here we're gonna open, of course, we're gonna open FileZilla. I mean Firefox. I said FileZilla. The VM here, you see it's a little bugged, so I had to cut the video. So I refresh it again, and we're gonna see. You see here it's bugging. I don't know why. It's fresh Ubuntu installation. Actually, I downloaded it yesterday. We put Ubuntu, we put our password, we log in. Then here I logged, I mean, here it's bugged, so I just open the new Firefox window, and here we are. We got into our server. Good. Now we check our picture, the one that we uploaded recently. And there we go. See, there is our picture. We go picture. Here is this thumbnail.png. Next, we're gonna show you how to create a new user from this page. And then you press the button down, says ajouter nouveau compte, create your own account. And you can choose if it's limited or unlimited for the user. We don't give any administration, and we create. Then when we create, we're gonna log in into that account. Here we put our information about the created user password. Then we log. We are in the new user account. Usually we create account for each person, so anyone has his own file access, so no one can access into. And here are the information. We're gonna pass it. And now I'm gonna show you how we can access this server from outside the network, not only locally. So for that, we're gonna use the tailscale. Tailscale is a VPN. We connect into it, then they give us a public IP, and we use that public IP to access the server. Okay, here we're gonna install it. Then we're gonna log in into the tailscale. I'm gonna put the command if you wanna to just copy paste. No need to write. And here we're gonna put sudo app. They give me a link. We sign into link and we sign into the Tailscale account. You can use the Google just to sign in or create. And here I'm gonna just pass this. Here you see it succeeds. That means we are signed in. Now we're gonna show the public IP that's used into that virtual machine. Now we have this IP. We're gonna put it into our configuration file of the Nextcloud. So we're gonna access to the Docker because we are always using the Docker for the. And now we're gonna configure file folder, then config php. All right. Here I wasn't installing the nano, so I install it just with apt install nano. I'm gonna put also this in description the command, so no need to worry. Then we cd to config and we list and we nano into the file. We go through down, and when we see the not here, so we see the our local IP. Here we're gonna use the public IP because if we didn't use that, when you try to access, it give you on the link of Nextcloud insecure access, which lead to not able to connect. So we put it here and we save and just copy it and we save, yes, and we restart. Okay, how are we gonna restart? Docker restart, Nextcloud app, and now we are ready to go into our phone to test. As you can see on my phone, I'm using mobile data, so it's not same network, and I'm using VPN of tailscale. I'm installing the application tailscale and sign same account, and we put the IP address here of the public that we put it in the configuration file, and we connect here. I'm gonna use user, or maybe I'm gonna use Ubuntu. We put password and we sign in. And now we have access to our account. Now we just go back to the application. Sometimes takes time, so just wait. And we're gonna check for the photo we put it in. Here it is. It's a thumbnail PNG. You can put anything: photo, films, anything, file, games, anything. Thanks for watching and see you next time.